Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a working camera system. The reason I'm making this video is because let's say my friends have, well, this is actually true. My friend's been quite frustrated trying to make a camera system like this right here, and they've just been frustrated, complaining, real mad about it. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a working camera system that actually works and actually functions. Well, not that the other tutorials don't, it's just this one I think will cover a lot of stuff the videos don't really teach that well. So, first things first, I'm going to make a little desk here for my camera launcher as there. And what you want to do first is make the monitor. So there's probably some other YouTubers people that can describe it better than me, but this is the way I do it. So you just want to make a so basically you just want to make, first things first, you just want to make that simple monitor. So basically you just want to make a quick computer, which I'll show you in a sec. So yeah, I just didn't want him on my property, to be honest, but so you want to start making a computer like this right here. So I highly recommend making something simple and easy, like it doesn't even matter, you can just anything that represents a computer, I would say, but you want to move this up, rotate this up. Alright, this is what I'm going to do. Then we need the screen. So I have the basic screen layout here, and I'm going to make this neon. Separate. Actually, so basically you just want to make a computer, that's all really. I'm going to make a cobblestone computer because it looks weird, I don't know, but yeah, here's my cobblestone computer. So now what you want to do is you want to click on this using this, and this purple highlight should come around it, you can see here, and you want to go texture, front, add texture, negative 500, and for repeat you want to make this a, let's see here, what do you want to make, oh, and then set up. Alright guys, so as again I want to show you, click here, negative 500, enter, and then this, you just put 8, I don't know why, I don't know why, just put 8 there, and that's all. Now what you want to do is you want to click on this, Shift G, I think I did something bad. There we go. So you just want to highlight this stuff, Shift G, grouped, and you do exclamation mark WC, wire connection, it should work, let's see here, wire connection, oh, I think I know what I did. I did that, didn't I? 7, I'll make that a 7, now, Shift G, should work. Alright guys, I found the mistake for this. Alright guys, I found out what the problem was. So I had it at 7 instead of 8. So if you have it on the right one, click it, Control G, bar connection. You have a working monitor, but you have nothing out right now, so no camera, so that wouldn't work. So next part is making the camera. Alright guys, for now making the camera, what you want to do is you want to make a table for your camera. Make your camera. What you want to do is you want to highlight this lens part, texture front, add texture, minus, negative 500, and you want to make this a 9, and you want to click on this, shift click on this and this, shift G, so that's wired together, now you should have a working camera. Alright guys, I decided I want to face it this way so you guys can see me. All I did is I rotated it and adjusted it apart, but all I did is just shape it a bit, but yeah, that's basically all you have to do. Now, if I click on this, you can see me. Q and E to cycle for the cameras, left click to exit, right click to zoom, R for whatever this is, and yeah. And if you want to make more cameras, you would just make extra copies of the original. So that's all for today. Please like and subscribe if this was helpful. Let me know.